In the era of intelligent navigation and precise control, whoever masters the core sensing technology will have the first chance to win. This is the U6300 series MEMS inertial measurement unit launched by Micromagic, a high-precision core designed for satellites, drones, and special vehicles. Nationally produced devices to ensure supply chain security. Stable output in extreme environments from 40C to plus 85C. Vibration resistance of 6.06 grams. Shock resistance of 1500Go5 ms. Industrial-grade protection is not afraid of challenges. Weighing only 50 grams and consuming only 0.5 watts. Born for space and energy-sensitive equipment. 6-axis MEMS sensor. Military-grade accuracy. Civilian-grade cost. Gyroscope 0 bias stability 01H. Angular random walk 002H. Accelerometer 0 bias stability 10G, range 20G. 1 kHz sampling frequency plus 268 Hz bandwidth, millisecond response. Control every dynamic change, whether flying in the sky or traveling on the ground. U6300 can provide your system with accurate attitude, perception, and trajectory control. U6300 series MEMS IMU perfectly combines high precision and reliability, injecting the core capability of perceiving everything and accurately controlling into various navigation and control systems. Accurate navigation starts with the core.